Hey guys, what's going on? Today's video is going to be on Shake Shack and why I am getting pretty bullish on the stock, and I want to, as usual, highlight the facts as they will set you free to show you why I am starting to get a bullish thesis on Shake Shack. First, I am only 46 subs, not sandwiches, but subscribers away from giving away my first giveaway, which will be a Zilla stock. So if you're one of those 50 subscribers, you're entered to win. So when thinking about food and the food industry, it's a good question to ask on what foods do us Americans eat the most. And the number one, when you just search this in Google, is hamburgers, cheeseburgers. And what does Shake Shack sell? It sells the hamburgers and cheeseburgers. So already there, I'm already liking whether they've positioned themselves in the market there. And then when you start to think the kind of restaurant they are, they're not any old restaurant. They're not like McDonald's. They're not a Jack in the Box. They're considered to be fast casual dining. And what is the fastest growing restaurant segment right now? Oh, it's fast casual dining. And is Shake Shack considered to be a fast casual diner? Well, I don't know. Let's Google that next. Is Shake Shack fast casual dining? Yes, it is. And what's even crazier here is notably Shake Shack, a burger chain that originated in New York City, has found success offering a casual dining experience at a fast food pace. So I'm starting to kind of show you guys why I am getting bullish on this stock. And let me just go into some numbers here, and we'll get back into some more details here from different news articles that I think will surprise you guys a little bit. So let's get back over here to the drawing board, and let's just show you how their stores have been growing. So 15, 16, 17, 18, not the years old, but how many store locations they had. So 15, they had 84, 16, 114, 17, 159, 18, 208, and then by the end of 2019, they're estimating 260 stores. So that's a growth rate. Huh? It's kind of a steep line. I didn't mean to draw it so steep, but it's about 30% compounded year over year annually average. So I'm really liking those numbers. Any business that can grow itself 30% year over year, I'm gonna kind of look at a little bit here, and that's why I wanted to show you guys this. Um, Another thing is the revenue has been climbing about 30% as well. I won't get into those numbers because I don't want to bore y'all. But another thing that I really do like about Shake Shack is they're not just your average store that just opens up an average storefront on the corner of the street. They're really chasing hard after the restaurant industry in airports. And what airports are they in? Well, so far they're in quite a few, but to highlight two main ones when you just look list of Shake Shack airport locations, one being LAX and two being Hartsfield-Jackson Airport, Atlanta. Well, let's look at the busiest airports in the world and what kind of foot traffic they're getting in. And when I show you the foot traffic, just think about when you yourself are stuck in an airport, and if you're stuck there for several hours, you're going to have to eat at some time. And why not eat somewhere good? Because let's enjoy our time in the airport since we're going to be sitting here for a while. You really don't have any other option. It's a little more expensive than it would be outside, but LAX and Atlanta. Okay, busiest airports in the world is Atlanta, with that being number one here, with 107 million total people going through their year. So just think of that percentage that's passing the Shake Shack store, having the ability to stop and get a burger or fries or a shake there. It's a pretty good little industry to have. Now you look at number 4 at LAX with 87 million people going through. That's a lot of foot traffic. They have other stores in different airports, but those are two that I really wanted to show you. So if you kind of like my video, I wanted to make this one short to highlight why I'm bullish on Shake Shack. Give me a thumbs up and a subscribe so you guys can be entered to get my giveaway. Thanks, guys.